am rolling solo today. Gonna go find some stores, some new stores that I haven't been to in a while, and see if I can find any good deals. I'm using a new camera. I'm trying this one out. It's actually old, but I'm gonna look at the quality of it and see how it is. And we'll roll with that for right now. Hopefully we'll get there and find some good deals, man. I want some deals. So I'm sitting here. I just got here. Thrift store. Phone goes. Cha-ching. What is it? A quick flip. It's the Mark Nason boots from the other night. I got them at Savers. Paid like, I think $11 for them. They were $18 minus 30%. So that was pretty sweet. Pretty sweet find. The sale is even better. $250. I was saying, oh, they're probably like $100 pair of boots or something. Retail was actually $550, so I was like, well, I'll try for about half price. So $250. They sold. You. I'm excited. So it's awesome to find deals and flip them so quick and make lots of money. So I just left the last thrift shop here. I found some Lebron Nikes. They look pretty cool. They got the straps on them. I don't know the fancy language for that, but they're all black. They're actually my size. They're pretty nice, but not usually the style I wear. I found some big size 14 shoes. They're like special like orthopedic shoes, and the comparable ones that I saw on there were like $50. So I actually found one, and then I went and looked around some more, and I found another pair. So that's pretty awesome. Those were only like $4 or $4.50. And then I also found a pair of Kids Keen shoes, and she shoved everything into one bag. Like, it's super heavy. I spent $66. I found a Laurel Birch bag. I found a Taj purse, T-A-J. It's like a made in India. It's kind of like hemp weave. It's pretty cool. And then I found a Nike hoodie, a newer one. An older Nike pullover windbreaker, lined. It's pretty cool. What else? There were a pair of starter windbreaker pants. A belt. Can't remember everything. A pair of Kate Spade glasses, eyeglasses. They look pretty nice. So we'll give those a whirl. They're only $1.50. They're legit. They're in the case and everything. So somebody could take the lenses out and put their own lenses in. But they looked pretty nice. So I can't remember everything that I just bought. A few other pairs of shoes. They're really nice. I was on one side of the store and I didn't find anything. I didn't even have a cart yet. I go to the other side of the store, and then bam, my arms are full. I had to go get a cart. So left paying $66 for everything. I'm not even sure how many items I got. I got at least, I got a pair of really nice Calvin Klein's. Not something I usually buy, but I looked these up because there was a name on the shoe, and every single one of them sold. Some Calvin Klein dress shoes. They're all suede, cap toe. They're really nice, and the comps sold for like $60. Yeah, I'm gonna not pass on those. They were marked up to $8, but I figured all green, gonna get them. So that's that. I'll try to do some more. I'm gonna get these items listed, and I'll see you again soon. Look at that awesomeness. Both these hats are pretty cool. I found today. Chicago Bulls and Adidas. Oh yeah, look at that. They're in really good condition. And then I also found, it's not a shoe I usually buy, but they're not bad. They're good condition. Some Sauconys. I think that's how you pronounce it. Saucony. Shadow. They're size 11, I believe. Oh no, size 13. So, good size. A little big. They're really clean. They're suede. Pretty nice. And then I found some men's Birkenstock sandals. These are the all rubber kind. I've never bought the all rubber ones like this, but they're pretty sweet. Good size, and there's pretty good comps on them. I think I paid a little too much for them compared to what I usually pay, but I paid $18 for them. But I think I can get about $45 for them. So, killer deal of the day. Boom. A little scuff right there. I can clean that up. Look at that. These are some Ralph Lauren Polo tall boots. They're about a foot tall, maybe 10 inches. The buckle strap. I've had a pair of these before, similar. This is the textured leather, and I did really good with them. Really well, like $70 or something. These, I'll be listing these puppies for about $125. And pretty awesome. Size 9, great shape. Just absolutely great shape. That'll come right out. Actually, I'll show you here. I bought this back in like 1998. Doc Martin Wonder Balm. This stuff is awesome, and it works on clearly more than just Doc Martens. Just put a little dab on the sponge that comes with it, and then watch. Ooh, well, that must be something else on that boot. Anyway, check this out. It covers up these marks and cleans them up just wonderfully. And it's clear. What is that anyway? It must be paint transfer. What is that? Man, that upsets me. They only had the one boot out. They had this boot out. And so I grabbed it, and then they have to go back in the back and find the other boot. But see these scuffs right there? Have a little bit of that on there, and it's a lot cleaner. So let's clean them up a little bit before I get them posted. And pretty clean. Some Polo Boots. These are good items to look out for. And yeah, I'll go through my other stuff here in just a minute. But these are my find of the day. See that? It came right out. Still see a little bit, but it's a lot better than it was. Use the same stuff, just a little harder in 2 hands. So these are it. I'm going to take pictures of these and get these puppies listed. Yeah.